Thank you for the invitation to return. We're making great progress over at the Department of State. I believe last year when I was here, I spoke about the modular data centers that we were standing up at one of our locations on government-owned property. We received a mandate to come out of leased property, and I just heard Joe talk about cost savings, and I smiled because, of course, those are drivers. You know, what are we doing in the federal government? How are we best utilizing our money? Things of that nature. So last year we did stand up our first modular data center on property in Maryland. Today we're actively building 2 additional modular data centers. Doing so allows us to come out of leased property. That leased property is currently about 11,000 square, and we're going into 1,000 square. We're looking at it's dense, it's scalable. You have the modular component of it, using ambient air and things of that nature. So it works into what we're looking at for the optimization of data centers, because we have the mandate to look at PUE, to look at the power utilization. We have the virtual footprint versus the physical footprint, things of that nature. And I'm still touting for the department. We have that virtualization first policy where every device that or application that's considered for the department, we must look at it to see the viability, could it stand on a virtual machine. We're not quite as advanced on cloud, but we're right on their coattails over at DOJ. We do have a cloud governance board where anyone that's looking to go into the cloud, again, the application is evaluated. You just can't go out. So one of the things that I believe, just from other network opportunities that I hear, is that a lot of times, sometimes technology may get out in front of the technology owners, and then you have to go back and try to herd the cats back together and get everyone back in a group again. So we're doing great things, and just
excellent. Good for you.